I'm here at ICAST 2024 in Orlando, Florida, checking out the latest and greatest fishing gear and tech, and there is a lot here. After this video is over, check out the playlist at the end if you want to see more. Let's jump in.
Hey guys, Danny Thompson from Garmin Marine, and I'm down here at ICAST in Orlando with the brand new PS22 ice fishing bundle here, which I think is going to be a great bundle to help revolutionize and really compact the ice fishing live sonar market as we know it. We've got the small bag. We've actually got a echomap 73 in here, but it's got the small battery, a 7 amp hour lead acid battery in there, which also allows for many options with a lot of lithium batteries that are out there nowadays to make this even lighter, and you can kind of just drop and play with the battery that you want there. But we've got a new system for this that completely eliminates the need for the pole mounts. We've got a turn handle that works with the transducer here, so if we line it up, and when we're in the forward mode, wherever I point this handle is where my transducer is going to point, allowing us to have forward mode with the lens on at 12 degrees. If I go ahead and go to the down mode and I take the lens off, I'm now at 57 degrees. And that's where this unit really excels. Is this is Panoptix. This isn't meant to replace our live scope ice bundles. This is giving us an option that's more compact, better for hole hopping. This is going to excel especially for my crappie guys that are kind of running, gunning, and looking for fish. But in down mode, 57 degree cone angle, and you can cover a lot of area as opposed to like a flasher where we're at 7 to 11 degrees or something like that, depending on which transducer you have. But this is going to be live sonar. This isn't lines on a screen. This is live sonar with Panoptix. So a great option for something like that. You can adjust the turn handle, obviously, as the ice gets thicker and shallower and whatnot. But really going to be a cool option for ice fishing this season. With the 73, you got all the maps for the whole United States, Great Lakes, border waters built right in there. Quick release bracket. We can take this off, use it in the summertime. With the proper transducers, it could do side imaging, clear view, 2D sonar. Really a great unit. Really going to help kind of change the ice fishing market and kind of push us into the future as we really get into this live sonar. So for more information, check it out at garmin.com.